I am going to find the center of gravity of this object. This object has different masses at its ends. If you see that at this end the weight is different from this end, so both ends have different mass configuration. So its center of gravity is not at center. Like a straight plane rod, if you consider it, its center of gravity is at the center because the forces at both ends are same. But in this case the center of gravity does not lie at the center because the weight of at different ends have different value. Okay, so how to calculate it? First we will distribute this shape into two parts. The first part is this one and the second part is this one. Okay, first part has parameters. Height is 2 meter and it is 10 minus 3 is 7 meter, and this part has 3 meter and 6 meter length. Okay, now a shortcut method is to find the center of gravity of that object. Is the it is a simple plane, so we consider its center of gravity at its center. Okay, so it is about 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, so consider it as a y component. Y component is 3.5 meter, and now it is 3 meter and its center of gravity lie at that point. So consider its center of gravity is at that point. So by dividing 3 by 2 we have 1.5 meter. As we will let's start with axes. It is 0, it is y axis and it is x axis. So we will start from 0. Its 0 lie at that point. Okay, consider it as a 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on about 10. Okay, and from bottom to top it is 1, 1, 2 and it is about 6. Okay, consider that points. So from when we have to find the center of gravity that object, in this case it is about 1.5. so we will start from here. It is 7 meter and 1.5 meter, so it is equal to 7 plus 1.5, which is equal to 8.5 meter. Consider it as x-axis. So how to locate the center of gravity of that object? We will go x-axis. This is x-axis. We will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, and this is 8 and this is 8.5, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and our y-axis component is 3.5 meter. So 1, 2, 3 and 3.5 meter. So we will join a line at that point, at that point 8.5, and it is about this. So its center of gravity is at that point. From here we will go 8, here is 7, here is 8 and 8.5. From here and 2 meter, 2 and 3, 3.5, and some here its center of gravity lie, okay, at 8.5, and from here 3.5 meter. So this is how to find the center of gravity of that object.